12,000 inhabitants scattered across 9 tropical islands in the middle of the Pacific Ocean, Tuvalu is the 4th smallest nation in the world. Its total area is 26 square kilometers. The highest point is only 5 meters above sea level, making Tuvalu extremely sensitive to storms and sea level rise. Within this century, parts of the islands might be flooded, and saltwater could spoil vital crops such as coconuts and taro. On top of this, Tuvalu is affected by the king tide, a high tide that raises the sea higher than normal. This could bring the nation of Tuvalu to an end by the end of this century, unless we turn solutions into action.